Okay, here is an update. I was in the mood of maybe ordering a new trackpad, maybe a new top case with the keyboard and whatnot. I thought let me just check the warranty of the laptop, because the bottom plate shows 3Y, 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 meaning it's got 3-year warranty. So I thought I'll go online, have a quick look, see what I can see. And to my surprise, this guy is covered under warranty. Being a business model, it comes with 3-year standard warranty. And look, it's expiring in 10 days. So I registered as a business account and created a quick case. And made a request, case details, bunch of information, what we've done, blah blah blah. And now if they have seen this crack here, they wouldn't cover the warranty. So the new screen arrived just in time. So cross fingers, HP warranty will cover our work, the problem with the motherboard or whatever. So essentially we might be able to just get a complete new laptop out of this, with the motherboard or trackpad or top assembly replaced. So yeah, this may be good news, I'm not sure, let's see. So the case is created. It's a matter of HP to keep in touch and decide on an outcome. Yeah, so we just got a confirmation of the case and whatnot. Cross fingers, it will be fine. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.